The beauty of Joseon Sunscreen Stick is a convenient, lightweight sunscreen with SPF 50+ that provides easy on-the-go sun protection with a matte finish. In this video, we'll be taking a deeper dive into its key ingredients and sharing how to use this sunscreen stick properly in your skincare routine. The beauty of Joseon Sunscreen Stick is a chemical sunscreen formulated with mugwort and camellia, providing a soothing effect while delivering broad-spectrum UV protection. This sun stick offers a matte finish, making it ideal for those with oily or combination skin. It's compact and easy to carry, making it perfect for reapplication throughout the day. The beauty of Joseon Sunscreen Stick is designed to offer portable, hassle-free sun protection while controlling excess oil. Here are the key ingredients in the sunscreen. First, we have mugwort. Known for its anti-inflammatory and soothing properties, mugwort helps to calm irritated skin while protecting it from environmental stresses. And finally, silica powder. This ingredient gives the sunscreen its mattifying finish, helping to absorb excess oil and leaving the skin smooth without any greasy residue. These ingredients work together to provide UV protection while keeping your skin matte and comfortable throughout the day. Let's now jump into how to use the sunscreen into your skincare routine. Begin with cleansing your skin and pat dry. Then apply your toner, which is optional. Then apply any water-based serums followed by any oil-based serums. Then apply your moisturizer to finish. Twist up the sunscreen stick slightly and gently swipe it over your face, neck, and chest area. Apply in upward strokes to ensure even coverage. Don't forget to cover your ears. If you're wearing makeup, reapply by gently patting the stick on your skin to avoid disrupting your foundation. However, due to the nature of the stick formula, where physical pressure is needed, makeup may be removed when putting the product over makeup. The beauty of Joseon Sunscreen Stick is an excellent addition to your skincare routine, offering broad-spectrum UV protection in a convenient, portable format. With its matte finish and lightweight feel, it's perfect for reapplication throughout the day. By incorporating it into your daily routine and following the proper do's and don'ts, you can keep your skin protected and shine-free. If you want to learn more about sunscreens from Beauty of Joseon, check out this video here next.